opened Repair Revolution in 2012 out of a need that I saw in our community for change. I wanted a safe, welcoming environment for customers as well as any technician that felt marginalized in the industry and didn't feel like they could be successful in the industry. My name is Eli Allison. I'm the owner of Repair Revolution in Seattle, Washington. I learned a lot about what I didn't want my shop to be through my experience in the industry, because people don't think that you could possibly be a good technician because of who you are. Being queer or a woman or whatever, you have the same starting point as everyone else here. You're not trying to prove yourself because of who you are, you're actually developing your skills and your talents. I think it's important for people to support diverse-owned businesses in general. When we start investing back into minority-owned businesses and LGBTQ-owned businesses and women-owned businesses, we are voting with our dollars and saying we want a different voice to hold power. I feel like GSBA continues to show up for me as a business and continues to examine the work that they do and if it's actually meeting the needs of diverse communities. To have an organization that's capacity to think critically about what LGBT-specific businesses might need that is different from other businesses and community, and doing work to advocate for us, and that in the background I think has been just a really amazing gift.